In this video, we will walk you through the steps to complete online registration for the JEE Advanced 2024 exam. The instructions shown in this video apply to those candidates who have written JEE Main 2024 and are qualified to write JEE Advanced 2024. Please follow the guidelines carefully when filling out your application. Several steps in this process are non-reversible, so caution is warranted before submitting the data at various stages of the registration process. Log on to the official website of JEE Advanced 2024 jeeadv.ac.in. Look at the important announcements on the main page. Under Online Registration for all eligible candidates, press the Click Here text shown in brown color. Then you will be redirected to the JEE Advanced 2024 registration portal. jeeadv.nic.in/applicant. Locate the new user sign up on the left side of the screen and click on the blue button mentioning JEE Main 2024 Qualified Candidate Registration. Carefully read all the instructions shown on this page and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the checkbox. I have read the above instructions and procedures, confirming that you have read all the instructions carefully. Then, click on the Proceed to Registration Online button, which will take you to the JEE Main 2024 Qualified Candidate Sign-up form. Fill in the JEE Main application number, candidate's name, and date of birth as printed on the JEE Main 2024 admit card. Enter the security PIN shown on the screen. If the security PIN is unclear, refresh using the refresh button in yellow color. After entering all the required information, click the submit button. Upon providing the correct details, you will be redirected to a page to confirm the details using the OTP sent to registered mobile number and email ID. If you have not received the OTP, click the Resend OTP button. Upon receiving the OTP, enter the OTP and the security PIN. Then, click the Verify button. Upon successful confirmation of OTP, you will be redirected to a page to set up a password for the JEE Advanced 2024 registration portal. The password must be 8 to 13 characters long. Passwords must have at least one uppercase alphabet, one lowercase alphabet, one numeric value, and one special character. Confirm the password by re-entering the password created, and then enter the security PIN displayed below. Then, click the Submit button. You will now see a screen mentioning that the login credentials are created successfully. Then, click the blue button mentioning Click here to log in and complete your registration process. You have now completed the first important step of creating the login credentials. You can use these login credentials to sign into the registration portal anytime. On the sign-in window shown on the right side of the website, enter the JEE Main 2024 application number followed by the password created in the previous step. Under the JEE Main 2024 candidates, please note that you should use the JEE Advanced 2024 password here and not the JEE Main 2024 password. After entering the JEE Advanced 2024 password, enter the security PIN and click the Login button. You will then be redirected to the Registration Activities Status page where the next three important activities, that is registration, upload documents and fee payment, will show a pending status. Look at the left side of the screen and click on View JEE Main Details to check your details as provided to JEE Main. Carefully verify all the details. You will not be able to change any of the fields as the data is directly taken from the JEE main database, and no changes will be permitted. However, if you find any discrepancy in the data, you may contact IIT Madras, the organizing institute for JEE Advanced 2024. The contact details are available on the website of JEE Advanced 2024. Now click on Fill Registration Form on the left menu bar, which will take you to step 1, which is registration. Fill in all the details. Some of the fields, such as caste category and PWD status, will not be editable. If you are an OBC NCL candidate, you will be asked if you have a valid OBC NCL certificate, which must have been issued after the 1st of April 2024. You are required to provide a choice of 8 examination cities if you would like to write the exam from centers within India. If you want to write the exam in foreign centers, you will have only one option to choose from the 3 foreign centers available. Please note that the organizing institute will try its best to allocate the choice of your city for the exam. However, under exceptional circumstances, you may be allotted a center outside of your choice. After filling in the choice of exam cities, click on the Review and Submit button. Now check all the details, and then click on the check boxes after reading the declaration statements. And then click on the Submit and Proceed button. Now a pop-up window appears prompting you that, once confirmed, no further changes will be permitted. Please ensure that all the details entered are correct and only after you are satisfied, press the Yes button to proceed further. This completes step 1. And then you will be redirected to step 2, which is Upload documents. Depending on the category of the candidate, relevant fields for the document upload will be shown. Pay attention to the minimum and maximum size allowed for each document, and the file formats in which you need to upload the documents. As soon as the document is uploaded, you can see a preview embedded in the window. After uploading all the documents, click on the checkbox confirming that you understand that no changes will be permitted once the documents are uploaded. Then, click on Submit and Proceed. A pop-up window will appear showing the successful upload of the files. Click OK and then you will be redirected to the main page where you can complete the final activity, which is the payment of the fee. Please note that the registration process for JEE Advanced 2024 exam is considered complete only after the successful payment of the fee within the deadline mentioned on the website. If you are ready to pay the registration fee, click on Pay Registration Fee shown on the left menu, which will redirect you to the Pay Registration Fee page. Depending on the category of the candidate, the place of exam city, if within India or outside India, the appropriate fee to be paid will be shown on this page. Click on the radio button beside the Pay 3,200 Indian rupees and then click on the Pay Registration Fee button. You will then be redirected to a page where you can choose a payment gateway. You are required to choose one of the payment gateways shown on the screen based on your preferred payment mode. That is, net banking, credit card, debit card, UPI or by an e-challan. If you generate e-challan, you need to print the e-challan generated on the next screen and pay the fee at the nearest branch of SBI. After selecting one of the payment gateways, click on the Proceed for Payment button, which will take you to the payment gateway site, where you can choose your preferred mode of payment and complete the payment of registration fee. After making payment, It will go to payment status screen and confirm whether the payment has been completed successfully. Note down transaction amount, transaction number and transaction date and time. Then click Download Registration Acknowledgement. Then registration acknowledgement will display. Download the registration acknowledgement for future reference. This completes the registration process for JEE Advanced 2024. We wish you all the very best. To report any discrepancy or for seeking clarifications, you can send an email to orgjee@iitm.ac.in, or you can call the phone numbers shown on the contact page of the JEE Advanced website.